Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn our first lesson of mathematics. Let's find the shapes. Last year you learned some plane shapes, but this year we will study about some solid shapes. So first we will take this poem of shapes. Okay, everyone listen carefully and repeat it. A picnic on Sunday in a farm fresh air, all shaped veggies we could find there. When he dug the soil, Motya had found cone-like carrots under the ground. Look at this, it is the Motya and it found the carrot. Looks like a cone shape. Yash bought tomatoes, red and round. Some long brinjals also he found. He is a Yash and he brought some tomatoes shaped like a round and some brinjal like oval shape. Then Rama got the cucumbers, green and fresh, some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. She is Rama and she got some cucumber. Which shape is this? This is the cylinder shape. And some are like the cylinder shape and some are bent in the waist. Tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gampu and Pussy could pick. Look at this tamarind and bit of garlic. Gampu got a tamarind and Pussy got a garlic. How it's the shape? This is the heart shape. So Mama roasted rotis, Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? So this poem is all about the solid shapes. We have to handle these all shapes. So in this video, first I will show you the plane shape. Okay, so everyone look at the plane shape. This is our first plane shape. This is a triangle. A triangle is a plane shape. It has a 3 angles. 1, 2 and 3. These are angles. And 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Then our second shape is circle. A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corner or no edges. It has no any corner and no edges. Understood? Then the third shape is square. A square is a plane shape. It has 4 angles and 4 equal sides. This is the plane shape. And it has a how many angles? 4 angles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the square. Then the next shape is rectangle. A rectangle is a plane shape. It has a 4 straight sides, that is unequal sides, and 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 right angles. And its sides are not equal, unequal. Then our next shape is oval. An oval is any curve that looks like an egg or an ellipse. Understood, students? Then next we will learn about the solid shapes. What is the meaning of solid shapes? Objects that occupy space are called solid shape. So our first solid shape is cone. Second is sphere. Third is cube. Fourth is cuboid. And fifth is cylinder. So look at the first shape, that is a cone. Everyone look at this shape. This is the cone shape. How it's look? The cone shape like a clown cap or a fool's cap. You are familiar with an ice cream cone and a mehendi cone. So a cone has a one edge and one corner. This is the one corner and this is the one edge. It's called the edge of the cone. The flat base of a cone is a circular. See how the sloping surface of a cone turns continuously round. It is called the curved surface. Understood? So this is the curved surface and this is the flat surface. So how many faces does cone have? These are 2 faces. There are 2 faces. One is a flat face and one is a curved face. So cone has one edge. You can see the edge of cone. 2 faces. This is the one is curved and one is flat, and one vertex. Understood? Our next solid shape is sphere. A sphere means a shape like a ball is called sphere. Look at this shape. This is the sphere shape. A sphere has no edge and no corners. No part of sphere is a flat. It turns continuously, and thus a sphere has only a curved surface. This is the curved surface. Our next solid shape is cube. Look at this cube, everyone. A cube has a 6 equal sides. We can call them faces of the cube. This is the first face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6. These are faces of cube, and a cube has a 12 edges. Look at the edges of cube. This is the first edge, second, third, fourth. Again, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8, 9, 10, and 11 and 12. These are the 12 edges. So cube have a 12 edges and 6 faces. How many corners cube have? We can call them vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many vertex? There are 8 vertex cube have. Understood? So cube have a 6 faces. Faces means 6 sides, and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Understood, children? Our next solid shape is cuboid. So what is the meaning of cuboid? Cuboid is a solid which has 6 rectangular faces at right angles to each other. Look at the shape of cuboid. How many edges does this shape have? So we have to count the edges first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a cuboid has 12 edges. Then how many faces does this shape have? So we have to count the faces now. This is the first face, then second, third, fourth, fifth, and the last one is 6. So a cuboid has 6 faces. Then we have to count the corners or vertex. So how many vertex does this shape have? So we have to count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cuboid has 8 corners. Understood? Then our first solid shape is cylinder. So what is the meaning of cylinder? Cylinder means a bottle-like shape which has a circular base is called a cylinder or a circular prism. Look at this cylinder shape. This is look like a bottle, and how many faces does cylinder have? There are 2 faces, 1 and 2, and this is the third face. We can call this curve face. So these are 2 flat faces, bottom and flat top, and this is the curved surface. So a cylinder has 2 edges but not a single corner. It has 2 edges but it has no any corner. The base and top surface of a cylinder are alike, flat and circular. You can see this is the circular faces, and the turning surface between them is a curved surface. Understood, students? So students, once again we have to revise this. Cone have 1 edge, 2 faces and 1 vertex. Sphere has 0 edges, 1 face and 0 vertices. Then cube has 12 edges, 6 faces and 8 vertices. Cuboid has 12 edges, 6 faces and 8 vertices. And cylinder has 2 edges, 3 faces and 0 vertices. Understood, children? Everyone write down this in your maths notebook. Okay. And everyone have to handle these all solid shapes which are available in your house. Okay. Bye. Take care.